latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Hello, you are watching News 9 Digital with me, Amrita, and I'm going to be talking about Prime Minister Narendra Modi's suggestion to 10 worst affected states of adopting a Delhi NCR model of COVID management to mitigate the outbreak. So what exactly is this Delhi NCR model of COVID management and how did it help Delhi? Prime Minister Narendra Modi has suggested to adopt these measures in order to mitigate the COVID challenge. So some of these measures which were cited by Prime Minister Narendra Modi were the containment measures, surveillance measures, tracking of the infected and those in quarantine, testing, ramping up testing of people to bring down the test positivity rate, and also testing of close contacts of an infected person within 72 hours of time. Now, during this meeting, Prime Minister Narendra Modi cited the example of Delhi NCR, the Delhi and National Capital Region, and how they adopted the strategies to mitigate the outbreak, which was turning out to be on the worst end. So some of the measures which Prime Minister Narendra Modi or the examples that he cited were the containment strategies such as segregation of containment zone which were taken up on an aggressive basis by the Delhi government as well as the central government, which came together to fight the pandemic in the national capital. It also improved screening of people, especially those in the high risk category. And it also ensured there is better treatment available at hospitals so that people who are infected or who have symptoms of COVID-19 get these treatment at the latest, and hence why the numbers now also show the mortality rate in Delhi due to COVID-19 also significantly coming down. It also ensured the increase in ICU beds. Now, the next aspect to be discussed here is which were the states which Prime Minister Narendra Modi asked to ramp up their efforts to mitigate the outbreak. So when it comes to testing, Prime Minister Narendra Modi singled out a few states which were Bihar, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal and Telangana, who have very low range of COVID-19 testing. So Bihar is at the lowest end of the testing rate in the country with just about 9,180 tests conducted per million of people. And the per million testing in Gujarat was at 14,973. In Uttar Pradesh it is 14,266. West Bengal it is at 11,683 and Telangana it is at 16,788, which is all under the national average of testing per million, which is at 18,968. So these were some of the states which Prime Minister Narendra Modi also singled out and said they have to ramp up their efforts to mitigate the COVID-19 outbreak. We have to wait and watch whether these states will take these suggestions seriously and try to mitigate the COVID-19 outbreak more seriously as well. You can leave your opinion in the comment section down below. Also like, share and subscribe to News 9 Digital.